So we've had a lovely day walking today over the Green Peninsula.
We have.
And what beach are we on now? Can't remember.
Porthnagold.
Yeah. Coming to the end of 12 miler, and we're joined by Meg from Trac. Thanks for walking with us.
Oh, it's been a pleasure. Thanks for having me.
So what do you do at Trac?
And maybe what is Trac as well, first of all?
Yeah, good question. So Trac's a charity. We're Wales's folk development organisation. So it's all about giving access to folk music at all levels, really. I'm the company manager at Trac. I've been with them since the start of this year. So yeah.
Oh, nice.
And is Trac just music, or is it sort of all of Wales' folklore?
So yeah, it's all folk traditions. We do musical stuff, we do stuff with storytelling, we do stuff with traditional dance. So we really try and incorporate a bit of everything into the things that we run. The most recent project that we're just starting to run at the moment is called Cana Cymoedd, which translates to When Valleys Sing. And that's based on a project that happened in Lancashire called When Lancashire Sings. And that's working with school groups and community groups to create new folk songs. So yeah, the facilitators will be writing music with the communities. I'm really excited for that project to take off because I think it's going to be a really special thing.
Yeah, it's really important that we keep writing these new pieces as well, isn't it?
Yeah, we're also running a smaller project side by side with that called Wedding Glass, which is going to be in primary schools all across Wales. So that will be in some schools up in the north as well.
Yeah.
So it's really nice to be all over the country. Spreading the word.
What's the best way people can get involved?
So you can head to our website or social media sites to get a better idea of what we do. There's lots of cool resources on the website. There's all sorts of videos. You can go and do some clogging if you like. Learn a tune, play along to some tunes on our Instagram. Yeah, so you can check us out online and see what we do.
Oh, lovely. Thank you, Meg.
Oh, it's a pleasure. Thanks, guys.